Okay, this is a guide for how to get images off of an old Samsung or LG flip phone. First thing we're going to do is go into your Bluetooth settings on the computer, go to settings. It's going to be a little different depending on your Windows version. Go down to more Bluetooth settings, make sure this is checked. Next thing we're going to do, we'll start with the Samsung phone. We are going to go to the menu, go to settings, go to Bluetooth, go to add new device, and look for the device. We'll find the device here, so you can hit stop, and we're going to pair. On the computer, it should pop up like this, and we're going to hit yes. We're going to make sure those numbers match. They always will. Hit yes here. Connection succeeded. Now, here is the important part. We are going to, on the computer, go down here. We're going to right click, go to receive a file. That will get the computer ready for the files. Down here, we're going to close out. We're going to go menu again. You're going to go down to settings, Bluetooth, here. We're going to hit OK. It's going to connect. We're going to hit drop. Hit no. Now it gets a little funky. I'm going to try this again here. Sometimes what you need to do is activate it by sending a file. So right click and go send a file. Let's send it here. Now you don't actually have to fully receive the file, it just has to tell it that it's like a valid connection. So we'll hit OK, we'll hit cancel. Now we're going to go back to that menu again, back to Bluetooth, hit OK. It's very finicky to get it to connect. Okay, it might ask this. We're going to say always connect. Yes. Okay. There we go. Finally. So you might have to connect like 3 or 4 times. Then it will let you drop. And it's going to give you the option to send picture. Now, we're going to mark all. We're going to hit done. And now on this side, we are going to see the pictures receiving. From here, it's pretty self-explanatory. You're going to select where you want to save it and save the images. I'm going to go ahead and hit cancel this. So again, you might have to like connect several times to get it to actually work. Now, the other one is way smoother. So the other one, we're going to go ahead and connect. So go to menu, settings, Bluetooth. We're going to connect. There's our desktop. It should find in a moment. There we go. We're going to pair. Same routine. It's going to pop up here. We're going to add. Yes. It's connected. Same thing. You're going to right click. You're going to receive a file. This one is much easier. We're going to go to that device. And we're going to go options. Maybe not. Hold on. We're going to go menu. My pictures. Options. Manage pictures. Send. All right, I'm going to do that from the beginning. Menu, My Pictures, Options, Manage Pictures, Send. Now, you can mark up to 100. We're just going to mark 2, and I'll show you how this works. We're going to mark picture number 1, picture number 2, and we're going to hit Done. Now, we're going to go via Bluetooth. Again, remember this has to be set up for receiving. We're going to select the device, send. Here, you will see it receiving the files. We're going to browse this time. We'll save them on the desktop just so you can see how it looks and finish. And there are your images. So again, the LG always seems to work really good. The Samsung, you might have to connect and disconnect like 4 times before it finally recognizes and lets you do that. But that is how you can, with nothing else but a Windows laptop and a Bluetooth connection, get the files off the dinosaurs. Good luck.